Volvo key fobs commonly use either a slide latch or split case design for opening. For the slide latch method, typically found on models like the S60 V60, locate the small latch on the side or bottom of the fob. Use a flathead screwdriver or a key fob tool to gently slide or pry the latch, separating the halves. For the split case technique, often seen in XC90 or older XC60 models like the 2015-2019 versions, insert a pry tool into the seam of the fob. Starting at the key ring end, carefully split the case along the edges. Remember to work slowly and avoid damaging any buttons or internal components. Once the fob is open, you'll find a 3-watt CR2032 coin cell battery. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side facing up before removing it. The battery is a standard CR2032 coin cell. Remember to note its orientation before removal. If there's any corrosion on the contacts, gently clean them with a soft cloth. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together, ensuring a secure closure. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it works properly. For safety, use plastic pry tools to prevent scratches and wear gloves to avoid transferring oils to the contacts. If you're unsure or encounter resistance, consult a professional to avoid potentially costly damage that could range from $100 to $300 for dealer repairs.